Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on February the 12th, 2021. Disney returns to profit, shares at all-time highs. Walt Disney Co. unexpectedly returned to profit last quarter thanks to a strong performance from its streaming business, offsetting a loss in its amusement park segment that was closed because of the pandemic. The company posted earnings of 32 cents per share from October through December, according to a report released Thursday evening. Analysts on average had expected a loss of 41 cents per share. In the end, Disney shares rose 3.1% after the close of the main session, closing at a record high. Quarterly revenue fell to $16.25 billion from $20.88 billion a year earlier, but was above analysts' average estimate of $15.93 billion, given by IBES from Refinitiv. Thanks to such successful projects as the series The Mandalorian and the animated film Soul, the number of Disney Plus service subscribers reached 94.9 million at the end of the last quarter. UK's economy falls unprecedented 9.9% in 2020. The coronavirus damaged UK economy shrank 9.9% in 2020, the biggest annual drop in output since modern records were set, but avoided a return to recession in the last quarter of the year, official data showed Friday. Britain's gross domestic product rose 1% from October to December from the previous quarter, the Office for National Statistics said, compared with forecasts in the Reuters poll of economists of a 0.5% increase. This makes it unlikely that the UK will see two straight quarters of contraction, a standard sign of recession in Europe, even though the economy should contract sharply in early 2021 due to the effects of the third COVID lockdown. EU rebuilds US trade ties with Biden's team. The European Union on Thursday acknowledged a move by the new U.S. government to refrain from imposing additional tariffs on EU goods in a long-running debate over airline tariffs and said they are ready to work towards settling trade disputes. The Office of the U.S. Trade Representative said Thursday that there is currently no need to revise existing tariffs on European goods and want to refrain from changes. USTR previously said it hoped for peace with European allies in resolving a 16-year battle over subsidies given to European Airbus and its U.S. rival Boeing Co. Officials from the EU and Britain want to strike a deal with President Joe Biden's administration, but negotiations will drag on until Biden picks Catherine Tai as the lead negotiator of the trade talks. British and European Union envoys on Monday stressed their willingness to resolve the dispute over airline subsidies. Asian markets rest for the holidays, Bitcoin rises. Asian stocks hovered just below record highs Friday as mixed U.S. economic data forced some investors to show restraint after a global stock market rally pushed many exchanges to dizzying heights. MSCI broadest index of Asia-Pacific stocks outside Japan fell 0.03%, trading just near its all-time high from the previous session. Stocks in Tokyo fell 0.32%, retreating from 30-year highs. Markets in Greater China and much of Southeast Asia are closed Friday for the Lunar New Year holiday through February the 17th. The MSCI World Stock Index, which tracks stock in 49 countries, fell 0.12% on Friday, also pulling back from a record high, while Bitcoin rose again to a new record high of $49,000 after BNY Mellon said it would offer custodian services for cryptocurrencies. On Tuesday, trading in the U.S. and Europe also held close to record highs as investors weighed in on some tepid economic data against an increase in the COVID-19 vaccine and the prospect of increased government spending. On Wall Street, the Nasdaq and S&P 500 were up 0.4% and 0.2%, while the Dow Jones slipped 0.02%.